Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply turn off background usage of data in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Edge browser right here. So what we want to do here is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to go to app info. So we click on that. Then the next thing we want to do is to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, and it's going to take us right here. You can see background data here is 1 point something megabyte. Even without using the app for browsing activities, they are still going to consume some of your data in the background unknowingly to you. And for you to disable the background data consumption, what you need to do is to simply disable this button right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.